Iwájú Iwájú lọ̀pá bìtì ń ré sí. The Yorùbá use this saying when they want to pray for somebody. It means forward ever, backward never. It can also mean that when evil is approaching you, you would have moved past it before it arrives. A very necessary prayer. But then, what is ọ̀pá bìtì? Bìtì is a trap. Here is how it works. You suspend a plank on a tiny rod and then you place a burden, a load on that plank, usually a large stone. That large stone on the plank is what is referred to as bìtì. And the rod upon which it is suspended is the one called ọ̀pá bìtì. Basically, anything that is weak and is liable to collapsing at any time is what the Yoruba refer to as bìtì. Like a dilapidated building, for instance, that can fall down at any time. That is an bìtì. But then, back to ọ̀pá bìtì. After you have suspended your load on the ọ̀pá bìtì, at the base of the ọ̀pá, you put your bait. Basically, anything that can attract the animal you want to kill. The rod is usually positioned in such a way that when anything comes in contact with its base, it flings forward, never backwards. So when your animal comes in contact with that bait at the base of the rod and then puts its mouth there in order to eat it, by establishing contact with the rod will immediately fling forward and the load suspended on the rod, the bìtì, will then fall on the animal, killing it or trapping it there. This is why the Yoruba say, Iwájú Iwájú lọ̀pá bìtì ń ré sí. Wàá ṣeré.